sparks on quiet streets, two hearts finding where to meet. But life pulled us apart, left me talking to the dark. If I called you tonight, would it feel the same? Or have we both moved on to different names? Take me back to the start, before the quiet and the scars, when the world felt small and your hands felt warm. Take me back to the start, if only for a moment. I've been up since 3, scrolling back where we used to be, half truths in this late night chat, both of us knowing what a life at. Funny how we talk like we're fine, but your name still lives in my rhyme. Take me back to the start, before the quiet and the scars. Take me back to the start, before the quiet and the scars, when the world felt small and your hands felt warm. Take me back to the start, if only for a moment. If only for a moment. If only for a moment. Take me back to the start, before the quiet and the scars, when the world felt small and your hands felt warm. Take me back to the start, if only for a moment. Driving down the highway, doing 95 alone, trying to reach you, call you, but you won't come to the phone. Remember me, said you'd be my heart's home. Guess you were biding your turn to go. Oh, I really should've known. We were dynamite till we hit a red light. Then I see the signs. Oh, after all that time, this is it for us. You don't wanna try, 'cause your love was real, but it's down for us. Now you can't decide. Oh, oh, oh. After all this time, this is it for us. Change your energy, yeah, you switch things up. Now you seem brand new to me. But was that even for? Was you playing your games? Was you really bored? No. I really should've known. We were dynamite till we hit a red light. Then I see the signs. Oh, after all that time, this is it for us. You don't wanna try, 'cause your love was real, but it's down for us. No, you can't decide. Oh, oh, oh. After all this time, this is it for us.
Hi, lovelies. I said let me come and address us here because I haven't spoken out to this vlog. I guess if you're still for the first time, welcome. My name is Isulana. This is the first time I'm doing a vlog. I've always loved vlogs. And though I would say vlogs are quite different from sit-down videos, they are quite different. I think when it comes to sit-down videos takes more time. I think probably depending on what kind of content you're putting out. So for me, for example, if I'm putting out a health content, there is a need. There are certain things that inspire the health contents I put out specifically. There could be the need for the request for the video for that particular video. There could be my observation, maybe at the place of work or something. I saw something, or I remember an incident, or I'm seeing something or noticing something I feel I should throw more light on when it has to do with health or a medical line. And then there is just random thoughts coming to my mind and realize that people don't actually understand this as much as they need to, or people are not as aware of the particular health topic as much as they need to. So all the time, before I talk about any health related condition or anything health related, I have certain level of knowledge on it. Yes, I have certain level of knowledge on it based off theory and practical. You understand? So there is already a background knowledge, but definitely I would need to even find out more, because I love to do if you leave me to do health related content, I love to do contents that are very in-depth. Those people who know me know I love teaching. I love reading, I love teaching. So I would love to do health related contents that are very in-depth, something that by the time you are done watching the video, you totally understand. Like, even as someone who is not in the medical field, or someone who's not learned, let me use that word, by the time you're done watching the video, there is an understanding. You understand at least 80% to 90%. So that's me. But if you want to do videos like that, they're usually very, very elaborate, very long. Do you understand? So that's why sometimes I kind of break. We'll talk about this aspect, and then I could come and create a video later on and talk about this aspect. But you see, with that type of video, with those kind of videos, there's a certain level of behind the scene work. So whatever you see outside, whatever you see as the finished product, or whatever you are watching, is just a part of what went on behind the scene. I don't know if you get it, but with vlogging, it's not like that. Vlogging, you just pick up the camera and show what you're doing. I think for me, I believe that vlogging are for people. It's usually more exciting, especially if you're that kind of person that you are extroverted, you go out, you do this, that, and the third. I'm not like that. I am a homebody, I'm an introvert. The only thing that will carry me, I will only leave my house if absolutely necessary. If it's work, if I need to go and get something. Other than that, I don't do all those jumping up and down, right? So, but I've always loved vlogs. The very first time I got introduced to YouTube were makeup contents. That was in 2015, if I'm not mistaken, or 2016. Okay, 2016, when I got introduced to YouTube. It was makeup content we were showing. I thought that it was only makeup content you could do on YouTube. So there was already that passion and zeal that, oh yes, I'm going to do this one day, right? To putting up makeup content, because I was already a makeup artist at the time. I didn't even know that I don't even know if people were doing that back then, but I didn't even know that it's possible to come on here and talk about health, medical related stuff and all of that. I didn't know that. The next thing I was introduced to would be vlogs. I love vlogs. I feel vlogs are very calming. They're very soothing. It's just something you just watch. And I have noticed that you would always pick a thing or two from vlogs, watching people's vlogs. You always learn one thing or the other, whether intentionally or not, whether it was the intention of the person to ensure you learn about this or not. You would always pick a thing or two that you might not notice at the time that, oh, you picked this up or you've learned this, until when, I feel vlogs are real life, or as real as possible. So until when certain situation arises or certain situation shows up, and then you realize that, oh, I've seen this, oh yeah, this person did this or this, that. So there's just that knowledge or idea about a particular thing. Yes. Anyways, I want to film 2 health contents today. Hopefully by the grace of God, I'm able to do that. So I want to do my makeup first and foremost before I go on to film the videos. What else I want to say? Please let me know how the vlog is doing so far. Please subscribe to the channel. Okay, please subscribe to the channel. Like the video, comment. I love comments a lot. I love comments a lot. So please comment, like, and share. Subscribe to the channel. Okay, let me do my makeup.
pieces of me all over the yard. In this house of cards, she says, hey man, there were just too many days when our good intentions only got in the way. And I almost never know what I should say. Maybe nothing nowhere ever was that okay. In this house of cards, with only hearts. What you never did sow. You cannot learn what you never won't know.
so tired. I just finished filming a health video. I was supposed to film this video, I think some days ago, but I wasn't able to film it. But I don't know which is going to come out first, if it's this vlog or it's the video that's going to come out first. But whatever the case may be, please do not forget to watch the video. Okay, please watch the video, share it with any person that you know will need the video. I think I want to wrap up this vlog here. Yeah, I think so. I'm going to wrap this vlog here. It has been, I think, vlogs, I don't know, it's vlogging is easy. Vlogging is easy. You're just my first time vlog. It's easy. I would say it's easy. I love to say it's easy. It's not as tedious or taxing as, in my opinion, health related content. It's not that, because you're just showing, you're eating, you're cooking, you're washing, whatever it is you're doing, you're just filming it. So it's not too much of a work as sit down videos can be. Okay, I hope you like this vlog. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. Let me know what kind of videos you love to see. I am trying out vlog for the first time because I actually genuinely love vlog. I've stated that before earlier on in this video. I hope you actually enjoyed this vlog as much as I enjoyed creating it. Till I see you guys next time. Bye, lovelies, and God bless you.